fact, some of the comments that I've seen or heard is, can we do this more often? And I think it's important that we actually take that as a viewpoint on this. It's not just about doing it once a year, in my opinion.
I get to do this. I get to put my laptop away, dedicate my 6 to 7 minutes and ensuring that I give back to the community, work with the team and ensure that we feed the community and make that 67,000 liters of soup. I hope we've reached the target. So yeah, it's a very, very special day to me, and I'll cherish this day and make it sure that I do it every day, not just on the 18th of July.
So this is what Electrolux would like to take away from today, is that shape living for the better. That is our logo, and that's what our employees live and what we would like them to live on a daily basis. Not only to shape their lives for the better, but to shape the better lives for the rest of our community.
It's a first for us, and being the headline sponsor as well is important to us, and hopefully we're going to make this a long-term standing relationship and partnership with Chefs with Compassion. And what's made it really special is seeing the passion with which the team has gotten involved today and leading up to today. But it was really good to see how excited people were to be doing stuff and giving back to the community and giving of their time, and it was a great team building exercise in conjunction with doing something for the community.
I think I dedicated myself into feeding people, caring for people in terms of food. Besides being on this day, I think I'm doing it every day, sharing food and sharing and making people comfortable with food. So I've got passion with food.
I did this because I'm a loving person, so I wanted to share what I love, of which is cooking, sharing food with people I love. So that's the reason why I'm here. I'm here to showcase what's in here.